They said they need me. Little fish.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Eazy. To all my subscribers, I appreciate all your support and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy my content and will consider subscribing. I'll be doing a reaction to Crazy Confrontation, Women Beware. Let's check it out.
Between Figueroa and Hood, exit here, Ticket 7 and Macy's Plaza.
You just saw how fucking nuts of a faggot you are. You touch my stuff.
Upstairs on
You touch my shit. You touch my shit. You touch my
She called a man a faggot because he touched some of hers. A bag of something. She called him a faggot. That shows how much of a faggot you are.
shit. Don't touch my shit. Stop.
upstairs on
You touch my shit. You touch my shit.
Exit here, Ticket 7
Black
and Macy's
man.
Plaza.
You just saw how fucking
Connect here.
nuts of a faggot you are. You touch my stuff.
Upstairs on
You touch my shit. You touch my shit. You touch my shit. Don't touch my motherfucking That's my
Recuerde tomar su tarjeta SEO de chat antes de abonar.
Straight in the red line. Straight in the red line once again. This train is the red line on the station of North Hollywood.
Fucking stupid ass fucking idiot. That's why. Public service announcement. That's why.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Idiot. What the fuck do you think you are? Who the fuck do you think you are? Who to get cut the fuck up? By a fucking Navy person. Cut the fuck up, you fucking idiot. No, touch my shit.
Why he won't just get up and move away from that crazy lady? I don't care if I had to stand up. I'll go on the other end of what's that, a subway or something they own. I would go on the other end. Get away from that crazy lady.
Stupid ass nigger. Stupid.
Welcome aboard the Metro Red Line. This train's final destination is North Hollywood Station.
Bienvenidos a bordo de Metro Red Line. El destino final de este tren es la estación North Hollywood.
The next stop is Pleasant Lake, MacArthur Park Station, on Alvarado between Wilshire and 7th.
That's why I have all this power. Fucking dumb niggas like you.
She put her hand upside the man's head, pushed him upside the head, and he got up and smacked her across the face. Which I don't think is right to put your hands on a female. But that's what I'm saying. To keep from even doing that, he could have just easily moved. No. Let her have that. Get up and just move. Even if you touched her belongings, whatever. No. That's your mistake. But get up and move. Let her sit there and talk to herself. Look at her. She told him to do it again. He punched her. He told her. See, a lot of these females out here think they can put their hands on a dude. It is some dudes out there that'll put their hands on a female with no problem. So you gotta watch who you're dealing with out here. Or something like this will happen. Now he's moving.
Thank you.
She said thank you. She thanking her for the smack because some females, believe it or not, like that when a dude treat them like that. So now she's thanking him after a smack across the face or a punch in the face. How can you thank somebody after they put their hands on you like that? Even though you did it first, you didn't have to put your hands on him at all. But you're thanking him now. Like you needed that. I got what I wanted. That's crazy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now get a gun.
Now, right,
Thank you,
Wesley.
It was worth it.
It was
Thank
worth
you.
it.
Thank you, faggot.
See,
Thank you, faggot. Thank you.
she needed that one for the day, I guess. I don't know. Maybe she do something to get one every day. That's something she's used to. Because she's like satisfied now. Thank you. Jen told him thank you like at least 7 times. Like she really appreciate it. I got what I want. That's how she's acting. That's crazy.
Faggot. It was worth it. Faggot. It was worth it. Thank you.
There's crazy folks out here.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth
Once again, this is the red line. This is the red line or the station or Hollywood.
It was worth it.
it. She is so satisfied right now.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
She's still talking.
Confirmation, this is your red line. All right, time.
She said, can I have one more?
Once again, this is the red
Face
line.
one's like a combination of something. I don't know.
On the station.
Like a 2-piece.
Connect here with Metro Purple to Wilshire Western on the same morning line. This is a red line train.
Conecte con Metro Purple a Wilshire Western en esta parada. Los trenes del Metro Purple a la forma de abordarte. Este es un tren del Metro Red Line a Northern.
Look at her. She's sitting there looking stupid right now. She's quiet now though. Reality done kicked in. Face probably stinging. She making a phone call. Be like, what you done got yourself into now? Well, that brings this video to an end. Appreciate you watching to the end with me. This lady was crazy. I think he should have moved at the beginning of this situation. After she started snapping, he was wrong for touching her belongings. He should have just got up and moved. But he sat there for a while. They gave her a chance to want to put her hands on him, which caused him to put his hands back on her, which escalated everything. When all he had to do was move, or not even touch her stuff. It looked like there was other chairs, places to sit in there, so I don't know why he was sitting there anyway beside her. He could have probably had the whole section to himself. But once it started like that, he should have went on and got up and moved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'm out. It was easy.
Thank you.